Hi everyone, my name is Nina Irambona and I live in Amsterdam. I'm in Holland, a model, a content creator, and I did reality TV. I think with animals, like there's something that I really like. I saw in, I think it was in Kenya, like there was like a like those animals that people make pictures with. That's something I really want to do, like just something wild. Yeah.
Great.
Yeah, I feel like, you know, money is something that comes and goes. Love is something that you cherish with your heart. So what is more important in life than love? I think if they judge me about how I look and they want to change it, because if you are booking someone, you need to take that person as they are and not try and change it.
Hello best family, nizera ko mumeze neza. Hama nkaba ndabahaye ikaze mu cyaganiro cyanyu Gasonga Bugari show. No musi rero siriko ndavuga byinshi, nibaza ko umutumire mwamubonye turi kumwe tala, and ni umuntu araza kutwibwira, tuza kumenya byinshi kuri we. Kandi ikindi naco ikintu kimwe cyonyine mva nababwira nuko yavuye ngaha mu Burundi afise 2 years. So umva umwana avuye mu Burundi afite imyaka 2. Tudushaka kumenya byinshi kuri, tudushaka kumenya how arazi kuvuga ikirundi mbere niko yabimeze. Rero mugabo nta kirundi yamenye azi, arazi kukivuga bien sûr, aragitahura mugabo kukivuga turaza kuraba kabizi. Hama rero reka ndamureke yipresente, hama aheze anatubwire challenge ya mbere. Maze ndakunda ama challenge, murabizi challenge ya mbere nuko ndaza kumubaza ibibazo byose namuteguriye mu kirundi. Twego fete araza kuexprima muri langue yumva ashaka exprima mu kirundi, ashaka exprima mu congereza byose. Hama hello.
Hi.
Umeze neza?
Yes, I do. How are you?
I'm fine too. Yeah.
Good.
Challenge ya mbere ndakubaza ibibazo hama araza kunyishura, peut-être mu kirundi, peut-être mu gifaransa.
So.
Okay. Uzi ama language anga?
Dutch, English, I understand Kirundi, but I'm trying to speak Kirundi there, so but yeah, it's Kirundi.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard, but I will just try. And yeah, my main language is English and Dutch. Yes.
Great. Can you introduce abantu ariko baraturaba?
Yes. Hi everyone, my name is Nina Irambona and I live in Amsterdam. Here in Burundi.
Yes. Welcome.
Thank you.
Shaka utubwire 3 things tutuzumvise tuca twumva ati ni Nina. Automatically tuca twumva ati ni Nina.
Ambitious.
Okay.
Very caring. And of course funny.
They want to be funny. Hama nkeneye utubwire hobby zawe.
I love singing and dancing. Like that's my main thing that I do. And yeah, dancing since I was little and singing. Yes.
Okay. Nkeneye utubwire ikintu kimwe wibukirako kuri childhood yawe.
I think the happiness, the things that my mom and dad brought me everywhere to make me happy, like traveling a lot, just to make experience. Yeah, that's something that I really remember and I always cherish.
Naniyoge kukubaza, it's your first time wicaye ku Gasonga Bugari?
Yes, actually, yes. Yeah.
Wumvise ukuntu tukita?
No, because I seen it like when I was driving around and I see like people making it, but I never sat on it, so.
Kitwa Gasonga Bugari.
Okay.
Haheze umwanya ungana iki? Uri ngaha?
I'm here since April, so I'm here for 1 month. And I will return, I think, at the end of the month again. Yeah.
It's your first time in Burundi, uje?
No, it's not my first time. No, I've been here more times, but it was a long time ago then.
Great.
Yeah.
Ndumva wari umaze kubona ibintu byaho byinshi. Ni igiki wakumbuye gusumba?
I think the family and the food. Yes.
Food.
Yes.
Great.
Yes. 100%.
Mu buzima busanzwe ukora iki?
I'm in Holland, a model, a content creator, and I did reality TV. First, I began with the pageants. That's like where everything started for me.
Ku bantu bari baraturaba barashaka kwibaza ati modeling ni iki?
So basically, I'm doing like modeling for brands. I'm doing modeling for Instagram, most of it. But that's all started because I was doing pageants. Yeah.
Yeah, we put Instagram yiwe ngaha anya canke ngaha canke muze kuja kwiraba. Tubwire watanguye gute career iwawe muri modeling?
It was in 2016. It was actually very random because a friend of mine saw like an advertise outside for Miss East Africa. And when I actually saw that, I was like, no, I cannot do that because I was very shy. But then she really pushed me, and then my parents said like, Nina, you just need to do it. So I started working, just for the pageant first. But I didn't really know if it was something for me. But then I won Miss East Africa, and then everything started.
iyo tuvuze modeling cyo twumva abantu bonze gusa canke n'abantu bavyibushe barashaka kujamo.
Yes, I feel like modeling can do in all sizes. There's no specific way because everyone has someone beauty in there, and you don't need to feel that, oh, because I'm slim or I'm thick, I cannot do it. You just need to try, because there are so many plus size models, like several models. So I don't feel like modeling is just for these kind of persons. No.
Great. Well, tubwiye yuko uri mu content creator.
Yes.
Tubwiye kind of a content creator ukunda kugira.
Traveling is the most thing that I really like to do. Traveling and making those pictures and actually sharing my experience. That's one thing that I really like to do. And yeah, style, like different styles. Yeah, that's 100% sure.
Okay. Content n'ibisazi urota kugira ni.
I think with animals. Like that's something that I really like. I saw in I think it was in Kenya, like there was like a like those animals that people make pictures with. That's something I really want to do. Like just something wild. Yeah.
Great. You have to choose love or money.
Love.
Oh, love. Why
Yes.
love? Abantu bashobora kuvuga ngo amafaranga turayashaka ikitirwa.
Yeah, I feel like, you know, money is something that comes and goes. Love is something that you cherish with your heart. So what is more important in life than love?
Okay. Bon, ndicho nohitamwo ntaco ndirwa ndavuga nciye mpora. Monde ya modeling iragoye. Ntiyoroshe.
Yes, I feel like it's in all things. It's in all things. Like modeling is so big. There are so many things that you can model in, and you just need to find one, like the best one. What do I want to do in it, and in which way I want to do modeling.
Tubwire caractère zitatu zikubwira zituma umuntu ibintu bitatu umuntu aba afise kugira mu model.
Ambitious. You need to stand really strong in your feet, and I think patient. Yes, that's those three things that I actually learned also due to time, that you need to be very patient because not everything is coming just like that, and not, you know, sometimes it's not the right time. So ambitious because you know you need to have a level where you want to go to. So that's gonna you work yourself even harder. And why I say standing straight in your feet, because of the negativity. Not everyone will see your beauty. Not everyone will see how hard you're working for things. So if you don't believe in yourself, it's not gonna work. Yeah.
Great. Tubwire rero ama red flag atatu abakiriya biwawe begizija mugabo uvuga ati oya ahanye sinshobora ibintu bitatu.
I think if they judge me about how I look and they want to change it, because if you are booking someone, you need to take that person as they are and not try and change it. And that's what something from me that I didn't like, and that's something I won't do. I really want to represent myself, how I am and how I look, because that's how I am. You cannot change someone.
Football canke basketball?
Football.
Football.
Yes.
Okay. Nihe mukinyi ufana cyane gusoma mu football?
Burundi, Yusuf. He's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like that one. I visited a few football when I was here, so I viewed a lot of them. But someone who's like international, like Yusuf, I like from here. Yeah, very good one. Yeah.
Great. Ikibazo ca nyuma nama mbaza abantu bose. Urafise ikibazo mbaza jewe? Kirashobora kuba gihari canke kidahari?
Well, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's a hard one though. Let me think properly for
Hey,
it.
hariho challenge ahubwo. Utakivuze mu kirundi ntaco.
Yo, I couldn't got a good on that. Let me see. Do I really have to do it in Kirundi? I really have to do it in Kirundi.
Utakivuze mu kirundi ntaco nishu. Iyo ni challenge ndamuhaye.
What do you want to do in the coming 5 years?
5 years.
Ushaka gukora iki in like
Mu myaka 5.
yes.
Akazi canke
Yours, like
Yours.
life.
ubwa mbere nibona ndi umuntu ari marié. Nibona ndi umuntu ari marié. Asa umugore n'abana.
That's nice.
Hama akazi nako nibaza ko nzoba ndi umupresentateur.
Okay, that's suits
wa
you.
show itesa bien sûr ni iratesa guys sinshaka kwa kitatesa mugabo izoba ari nini ni ego
Okay.
nibona ahantu hari abantu benshi tugwa show nyene igize hari abantu benshi cyane
It suits you there. Yeah. Yeah, you can tell.
yes hama rero tugira dutandukire na partie ya kabiri yitwa 10 questions in 1 minute aho tuza kumubaza ibibazo aza kutwishurako kubyerekeye ubuzima araza guhitamo tuba dufise ama topics atatu le concept ya iyo partie ya kabiri dufise topics zitatu love music hamwe na food you have to choose imwe uza kwishaka nza kubaza 10 questions uyishure in 1 minute.
Okay. I choose for music.
Chambe nihe ndirimbo ukunda muri no minsi?
Burna Boy. Which song of him? Let me think properly. Last, of course.
Last,
yes,
okay.
Yes.
Difference iri hagati ya EP na album.
The difference between AP.
Yes.
AP is something that you introduce before the album, right? And the album is like many songs in one.
Great. Uri muri douche. Urakunda kuririmba?
Yes.
Okay. Bakubwiye abaririmbyi babiri ukunda cyane.
Diamond and Asake.
Okay. Tukubwiye kumara 24 uri kumwe n'umuririmbyi. N'uyuhe wohitamo kubera iki?
I think no one.
No one, okay. Indirimbo ya kera n'ubu ugikunda.
Diamond Platinums, Zuena. Yes.
Ufise birthday bakubwiye bakuzanire umuririmbyi aririmbe muri birthday wawe. Wohitamo umuririmbyi yo?
Of course Beyonce.
Oh.
Of course.
Umwanya uraheze.
Of course.
Wishuye ibibazo 8. Ibibazo 8 mu munota umwe. Hariho donc abandi bantu twari tumaze kugirana bamaze gusumba. Ofe turiko turaraba umuntu azokwishura ibibazo byinshi muri no munota umwe. Nibaza atahana prix peut-être ngira uzokwishura 10. Yego. Yataye. Bref, hama kiganiro kikaba gihetse hama ndagushimiye cyane ko nawe watwitabye. Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
Kona waje.
Thank you so much.
Tukaba twizera kandi ko niyo wagaruka mu Burundi uzoza kutwitaba.
Yes, of course.
Great.
Thank you so much for having me here. I appreciate it. And definitely the next time when I'm coming back, I will do this in Kirundi. Thank you.
Tugize hama nkaba nabashimiye namwe hama mugena mu commentaire mutubwire uko mwabonye ikiganiro tukaza tuzosubira la fois prochaine n'indi émission nkabashimiye kandi le Flamboyant Garden ko nadutije ikibanza dukoreramwo tukaba tuzosubira. Bye bye.
Bye guys.